Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City, 64109 area. We're going to be cleaning all this up today. Saturday we came in here and poured the last section of floor right down there. We are now on the last day on this project. This is our King Pierce stone foundation renovation. And this is what you get. This is not going to be the last video. After the painting's done, the waterproofing's done, we will shoot another video. Going to put our sump pump in right over there. If you remember what this fireplace looked like, looks a lot different now. Floors are all poured. We did it in sections. We worked smart, not hard. This room right here had a dirt floor. It had old rattly paneling hanging up there, and we put new plywood up there. This was the first room we started on. Absolutely gorgeous. Wait till we get the paint on the walls, the waterproofing paint. It'll just pop. Homeowner's very happy. I'm very happy. When I have a happy homeowner, that does nothing but make me happy too. KingPiers.com is one way to get a hold of me. You can call me on the phone, 816-521-8915. Email jim@kingpiers.com. This was not an easy project. Everything was done by hand. The street out front was too narrow. We could hardly get an F-250 through there, one-way driving. No way you can get a pump truck, so we poured this floor with concrete you get at Home Depot. Did all this. Today is day 10 on this project. So it took 10 days from start to finish to get this done. Very, very happy. Stay tuned, KingPiers.com.